Do you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. Well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation.
What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here, and today we have got how this guy, this DeFi trader, made $290,000 with just $200 after exploiting a bug on a DeFi protocol. The trader behind the move quits his day job. He took home 747 Ethereum in a single trade last week. They had exploited a DeFi smart contract. They quit their jobs a week after turning $200 into $290,000 with the click of a button. The DeFi user behind the coup came clean. He says, quote unquote, I am the malicious actor who pulled the rug on innocent chads, tweeted the pseudo-anonymous trader named Amplify. A chad, if you are wondering, he said, is a powerful man who effortlessly sleeps with lots of women. In this case, Amplify drew power from effortlessly exploiting a bug in a derivative of YFI, the governance token that powers Yearn Finance DeFi protocol. Or, as Amplify puts it, accidentally pulled the rug on thousands of people by exploiting a bug that I did not know exist. So he accidentally bumped into this bug, exploited the people, and made a ton load of money out of it. Number one, he says, take it as you will. I am the person who sold Yearn Finance on Uniswap at the same time as the rebase. Number two, he says, or I am the person who exploited the rebase bug in Yearn Finance. Number three, he says, or I am the malicious actor who pulled the rug on innocent chads. The project Amplify claims to have ripped off is called Soft Yearn Finance, whose sole purpose is to track the price of Yearn Finance, has a rebase mechanism, meaning that its protocol resets the price every time it deviates from Yearn Finance. It achieves this by destroying or mining tokens from the balances of its holders. On September 3rd, rebase functions messed up. Amplify reported the play-by-play via a tweet. He said, so there I am 2 minutes before rebase with my 2 Yearn Finance that I bought for $100 each, waiting for my key. This is aforementioned citadel of confusion. They then looked at Uniswap, a decentralized exchange that supports Yearn Finance trading, when they noted that 2 Yearn Finance turned into $15,500 and subsequently the price quote for these tokens being over 740 Ethereum. 740 ETH was about $250,000 at the time of Amplify's transaction and has since gone higher. Amplify's first thought was, I quote, this is a UI bug. It's going to bait me into sending the transaction I know will fail because of insufficient outputs of amount. Amplify's second thought was, okay, fine. If it doesn't work, they'll just lose $20 to $50 of the fees pretty much. It worked. That transaction given to Amplify but took away from everyone else's. The project has since collapsed. Amplify, who said that they worked a minimum wage job at the time, clarified that they didn't mean to do anything malicious. He says that I saw an opportunity, or trace if you will, and I took it. If Amplify didn't exploit it, someone else would have done it. Not that there's much guilt. Amplify told Decrypt it seemed clear from the beginning that the community for SYFI was there simply to make money. In a community full of traders, it's reasonable to assume that no one did much due diligence on the team of their credibility. People still rightfully believe that devs failed to audit their code and produced a buggy product. It's no one's fault but their own, Amplify told Decrypt. Amplify said that they have a bounty on their head and that friends are worried about their safety. Amplify sent one friend a finder's fee for introducing them to SYFI, so his address was clearly implicated in the crime at the time, they said. Now, much richer, life has changed for Amplify. They quit their job and said that they have given about $10,000 to a Gitcoin grant, stating, I quote, "I worked a minimum wage job for most of my life," they told Decrypt. "If I can intelligently apply this wealth properly, I can ensure my family will not struggle for basic needs like running a car. Most of the money, though, is going straight back to Yen Finance vaults, the actual YFI this time. But their pledge of innocence remains. I did not know this bug in SYFI existed. I simply pressed the button because I saw something unbelievable on the other side," they tweeted. Wouldn't you do the same thing? That's the question of the day. So he's not a hacker, none of that. He was just a simple guy who put in $200 in this bogus project, noticed a bug, notified them, but it was too late. He pressed the button, transaction went through, and he made $250,000. Just like that, he turned $200 into $250,000. What do you guys think about this story? It is absolutely crazy. Go and read the article and make of it what you want. I mean, yeah, read it properly, break it down for yourself, and yeah, it's DeFi. It's still DeFi, and I mean, this market is just going crazy. Decentralized finance is going nuts, and the bubble has started to pop a little bit, but most say that this is just the beginning. So DeFi might be the spark of the Bitcoin bull rally. If you are putting your money into it, be extra cautious. Right now, it is full of pump and dumps. It's like the ICO phase of 2017 pretty much. Every single day a new coin comes out, and the next day it is gone. That's decentralized finance. Every single day there's a coin that is born. Within 24 hours, people has pumped it to like thousands and thousands of percent, and then dumps it on the innocent investors who did not know but bought the coins at its peak. And then we got Mr. Dave Portnoy is back into crypto. This guy, within 3 weeks, he managed to speak to the Winklevoss's, jump into crypto, lose money, leave crypto, and now he's back into crypto. He says my heart is crypto, and that he is back into Bitcoin trading. After a brief hiatus from crypto trading, Dave Portnoy says he's coming back to Bitcoin, but are there other reasons for his return? Dave Portnoy, the founder of Barstool Sports, is coming back to Bitcoin after abandoning trading digital currencies when his Chainlink investment went belly up. In a recent video, Portnoy said that his heart is crypto and would like to make a return to the cryptocurrency market very soon. The internet personality, who became a popular day trader after the C-19 pandemic, entered the Bitcoin bull rally after meeting with billionaire investors Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. After receiving a quick refresher on what crypto is and how to trade it, Portnoy reportedly bought a significant amount of Chainlink and Bitcoin. Unbeknownst to Portnoy, his Link purchase was at the near top and more than 1000% rally, and he was far from pleased when his position registered a loss as the Link price retraced sharply. Shortly thereafter, Portnoy announced that he was leaving the cryptocurrency market on August the 22nd. He said that I am out because coins don't always go up. Funny enough, after a strong crypto market correction, he is now hinting at a comeback, stating that the crypto people are the most enjoyable group of people. According to Portnoy, he feels many investors in the cryptocurrency market share the same personality as himself. The outgoing entrepreneur and investor said that his heart is crypto and soon we'll be back to crypto, stating, I quote, "The crypto people are just about the most enjoyable group of people I have ever met. They are effing crazy. They are crazy on social media. They are crazy on Twitter. They are the same effing personality I do. They are gamblers at heart. They slant. They laugh at themselves. They just want to make money. I will be in crypto. My heart is crypto, but I just gotta figure this thing out." Now, since Portnoy said that he was exiting the crypto market, the price of Bitcoin dropped to around 12%. Major altcoins, including Ether, Link, recorded an even deeper fall against the US dollar. Link, which Portnoy remains enthusiastic about, declined by 21% since August the 22nd, but altcoins have seen bigger pullbacks than Bitcoin due to their strong rallies throughout the second half of 2020. Link rose from $4.74 on July 6th to as high as $19.99 on August the 16th, a 325% rally in just 1 month. That was amazing. The timing of Portnoy's message to the cryptocurrency community is intriguing because it comes after the Nasdaq saw the fastest 10% drop in history. The problem with the current landscape of the US stock market is that many strategists saw the pullback coming. Tech stocks especially started to fall after reports that SoftBank was likely Nasdaq's whale that drove prices up with a gigantic $4 billion options bet on US equities. Alexis Gray, a Vanguard investment strategist, said that the bold run was difficult to sustain due to the gap in market performances and global economic trend. He said equities were priced to perfection. That was always going to be difficult to sustain. When you have a disconnect between how markets are performing and what global economies are doing. Nonetheless, Portnoy is soon heading back to Bitcoin, and he had a few words for the cryptocurrency community by stating, "I love you and I love the Link Marines." Yeah, I mean, this may be just a reality check for David Portnoy, as he was bragging that stocks just keep going up and up and up, and crypto just doesn't go up. It's just up today, down tomorrow, and down the next day and up again. And yeah, that was his reasons of leaving. Well, he had a reality check by realizing that actually the stocks are retracing, pulling back, and crypto recovers faster than his traditional stocks and assets that he's trading daily. This is the difference between crypto and your traditional stock markets. These coins may be down 3 days a week, but they can give you gains that are crazy within a couple of hours. In a matter of a month, Chainlink went from $4.74 to $20 pretty much in 1 month. Between July 6 to August 16, bond, mutual fund, equity, or whatever in your traditional stock market can give you these much returns in 1 month. That is impossible. Only in crypto you can make these gains. And check out the market today. It is recovering steady and smooth. Bitcoin is up 2.9% pretty much, sitting at $10,389. Ethereum is exploding right now. It is up 11%, and it is just yesterday was sitting at $335 to $25. Now it is sitting at $374, testing that $400 mark again. Chainlink almost $13. Chainlink is up 10%. Amazing. Cardano is up 6% from 8 cents to almost 10 cents now. Crypto recovery is just amazing and smooth. It might be down tomorrow and the next day, but look at these gains. 10% in 1 day. You just can't get in any stock market, in traditional market. On that click, if you like the content, please don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe for some daily crypto updates. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years. True. Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.